Hello everyone. My name is Himanshi Rohra, student of Symbiosis University of Applied Sciences from BTech CSIT first year. And today I am going to discuss on the topic half adder and full adder. So let's start. Half adder and full adder. Now first see that what is adder. Electronic and adder is a digital circuit that perform addition of number. In modern computer, adder reside in the arithmetic logical unit, which is often known as ALU. Adders are important not only in the computer but also in many types of digital system in which the numeric data are processed. Now adders are basically of two types, that is half adder and full adder. Now what is half adder? The half adder accepts two binary digits on its input and produces two binary digits as an output, a sum bit and a carry bit. Now two things to remember in half adders are, it takes single bit number and do not take carry from previous sum. Now in half adder it takes two input, let's say A and B, and gives output as sum and carry. Now let's see the truth table for an half adder. Now if we see carefully, we'll notice that this table is divided into two types. The first half is A, B and sum. Now this is nothing but an XOR gate. Now if we see the second half of this truth table, that is A, B and carry, now this is nothing but an AND gate. Now let's see this truth table in a circuit mode. Now this is an half adder circuit. This includes an AND gate and an XOR gate. Now this is the visual way of an half adder circuit. Now this circuit includes an XOR gate and an AND gate. Now it has two inputs, that is A and B, and two outputs, sum and carry. Now sum is an XOR gate whereas carry is an AND gate. Now if we take input as 0 and 0 in place of A and B, it will give output as 0 and 0 as sum and carry respectively. Similarly, if we take 0 and 1 in place of A and B, it will give 1 and 0. For 1 and 0, it will give 1 and 0, and for 1, 1, it will give 0 and 1 in place of sum and carry. Now, if we have an half adder, then why do we need a full adder? The full adder accepts two input bits and an input carry and generates a sum output and an output carry. It is used for the purpose of adding two single bit numbers with a carry. Thus, full adder has ability to perform the addition of 3 bits. Now, full adder has 3 input, that is A, B and C in, that is a carry. And it gives same as sum and C out as output. Now this is the truth table of an full adder. Now this includes 3 inputs and 2 outputs as A, B, C in input and sum and C out as output. Now let's see the circuit of a full adder. Now this is the circuit of a full adder, which includes 3 XOR gate and 2 AND gates. For A, B and C as input, it includes 0, 0 and 1. Now it gives 1 and 0 as sum and C out in output. Now this is how a full adder circuit works. Hope you all understand adders. Thank you.